Yung kaso na i-final sa Courts of Appeals forms part of public records yan. In fact, anyone can get yung petition ng AMLAC sa CA. So, yung petition na yan will contain everything. The number of bank accounts, the asset, even the amounts. At yan forms part of public records kasi final na eh. Kaya nga inantay muna ng Senado na i-file at inantay rin ng Senado magkaroon ng ruling. Dahil kung wala naman ruling ang CA, ibig sabihin walang probable cause. No? So may ruling na at merong yung records na sa CA na. So anyone can ask for those records no dahil nga it forms part of public records na. So
So wala kayong nakikitang violation, sir, sa paglabas po ng detalye nyo at ng AMLAC, particularly yung mga 36 bank accounts at yung mga ari-arian ni Alice ko. Walang violation po, sir.
walang violation because that forms part of public records eh. And anyone can go to the courts to ask for that petition. In fact, yung mga kaso dahil notarized yan, it forms part of public records. Hindi naman yan top secret eh. Kasama yan sa petition.